Gait warning 30% with concern rising by 30%. Doctors now say changes in walking pattern often show up years before serious health problems. This matters because a slower, shorter, or uneven step can signal issues with balance, brain health, or muscles long before pain appears, so we want you to notice them early. To start, simply paying attention to how your feet land, how wide you stand, and how steady you feel. Short steps 10 centimeters. Many people over 60 notice their step length shrinking by about 10 centimeters without realizing it, and often they just call it getting older. This is important because shorter, shuffling steps increase the risk of tripping, so the first action is to look for signs like feet not lifting, shoes scraping the floor, or needing more effort to start walking. To improve this, focus on gently lifting the toes. Slow walking speed 4 meters. If it takes you more than about 6 seconds to walk 4 meters, studies show your future health risks may be higher by nearly 20%. This matters because slower speed often means weaker leg muscles, lower confidence, or hidden heart and lung issues, so timing your usual pace becomes a simple home test. You can mark 4 meters in your hallway with tape, walk at normal speed, and use a phone or simple. Balance width 25 centimeters. When the space between your feet grows to around 25 centimeters or more while walking, many experts read it as your body quietly asking for extra balance. This matters because a wider base, veering sideways, or feeling like you might fall when turning can signal inner ear problems, nerve issues, or early brain changes, and ignoring them often leads to avoidable falls. A simple way to act is to notice if walking quiz 3 signs in less than 10 seconds. Try to count how many of these 3 signs fit you. Shuffling sounds from your shoes, needing the wall or furniture often, or feeling unsteady when turning 180 degrees. This little quiz matters because the more signs you notice, the more seriously you should take balance training and a medical check, instead of blaming age and waiting. To act, simply say your number out. Quiz answers and meaning. If you counted at least 1 sign in the quiz, you are already ahead of many people because you have noticed the early warnings. Shoe scraping often means you are not lifting your toes enough, needing the wall regularly hints at weak leg or hip muscles, and feeling unsafe on turns may point to balance or inner ear issues, so each sign guides us to a different action. To respond, you can start. Case study 8 weeks. One 72-year-old man improved his walking speed by 15% in 8 weeks by changing only 15 minutes of his daily routine. This matters because he did not join a gym or buy equipment. Instead, he walked in his hallway, practiced standing on one leg near the sink, and used the stairs more slowly but more often, which shows that small daily changes work. Another 68-year-old woman reduced her fear of mid-summary 4 steps. By now you have heard about 4 key points: shorter steps, slower speed, wider stance, and balance signs, all of which quietly change for many people after 60. These points matter because they are simple to notice at home and give you early warnings long before a serious fall or hospital visit, so you can speak to your doctor with clear observations instead of vague worries. Acting on them means FAQ walking habits. Many seniors ask if they must walk 10,000 steps a day, and the honest answer is that even 3,000 to 5,000 steady steps can bring strong benefits if you were doing much less before. Another common question is about pace, and research suggests that a slightly brisk but still talk-friendly speed for 20 to 30 minutes on most days is both safe and helpful, as long as breathing, chest comfort, and daily checklist 5 items on a normal day, spending about 20 to 30 minutes walking in total, even split into 3 short trips, already puts you ahead of many people your age. This is important because regular short walks keep your legs, heart, and brain active, so combining them with 10 to 15 chair stands, a few heel-to-toe steps along a counter, and simple ankle circles can create a solid routine. To apply this, write final review and action at the end of 7 days. Looking back at even 5 minutes of extra walking or one small balance exercise can already show you a real shift in confidence and control. This review matters because progress in walking patterns often feels slow, but the numbers on your simple checklist, like fewer pauses or a slightly faster 4-meter time, prove that your efforts are working and help you stay